Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this wig, you guys, and my favorite thing about this wig, let me just say off jump, is the lace, y'all. A good lace will take you far. So look at this lace. Hold on, we're gonna give a moment of silence for the lace. Look at it, y'all. I put like 2 layers of hairspray and its wig is laying down the way it is. I didn't do a ball cap method. I didn't do any of that, but we're gonna get into it. But thank you to XrsBeauty for sponsoring today's video. Y'all, look at this box. It's so nice. They sent a lot of goodies in this box too, but I'm not gonna get into all that. But when I saw it, y'all know those really expensive purses called a Birkin. I said, baby, I got me a Birkin wig. And that's exactly how I feel about this lace. Like, it is expensive. That's what it's giving. So I had to do this little housewife look, first lady hair look with this wig, because this wig is gorgeous, y'all. It is straight hair. I put some curls in it, just some soft curls, you know, just to make it, just to give it a little bit of body. But yeah, guys, I'm loving this wig. They also sent me a few pieces of lace to show you guys what different type of lace that they do have, so I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so this first piece of lace right here, guys, is the transparent lace, regular transparent lace. So I'm just going to put it on my hand and show you guys. Hold on, let me pull it really good. Okay, transparent lace. The transparent lace is kind of light. It's not as thin as this lace, of course. And then we have the clear lace. This is the kind of lace that is on my wig, baby. And let me tell you, clear. Ooh, look at that. What a lace at. What a lace. What a lace. What a lace. Okay, so yeah, this clear lace from here on out, baby. This is a new, guys. Oh my God. It's so thin compared to this. Like, it's way thinner. Like, you guys see how you can see through this, and then this one has like a little cloudy look on it. And then we have the regular brown lace, which will be a little too dark for me, but this will definitely blend in with our brown girls, or browner girls, because I'm brown too. But to compare the clear lace and the brown lace, it's just wow. It's not so stretchy, but that's crazy. Okay, guys, so the wig I'm wearing, of course, I already told you, it is the new clear lace that they have available for us. It is in the 18-inch 200 density, and yeah, it's a 13 by 6. So look at how far this part go back. I love a deep part. Deep parts give me all the time. I hate a little bitty part. So yeah. So guys, if you want to see me install this wig, just please keep on watching. Okay, y'all, this is the hairline. I did not bleach it. I did not do anything to it. It's very fine. I didn't pluck it or anything, but I do think I'm gonna have to like cut off about this much of that extra lace within here, because you can see my cap underneath there when I tried it on. But I've already, it looks so good. In the lace, y'all see how it's blending so well right here when I pull it tight. But yeah, I hot combed it because y'all already know I gotta hot comb it. So we are about to curl the hair. Let me see. So yeah, this is what the wig looks like. I'm about to curl it. So okay, guys, so next I'm just gonna be curling my hair with a 2-inch curling iron. This is by Revlon. I love it. Yeah, so I decided I'm gonna prep my wig before I put it on. It's just gonna make it so much easier than me trying to curl the wig while it's on my head. So yeah, I'm gonna speed this up and I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done. Right, y'all, I am done. Oh, let me spray hairspray. So I'm done curling the wig. I'm just gonna spray some hairspray all over it to hold the curls, because this is straight hair. So, you know, we gotta get them curls up in there. Okay, so this is what she looks like. I pinned those curls up at the top so they can hold better. This is what she looks like. So I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be right back to apply my wig. Okay, y'all, so my makeup is done. I didn't put any makeup on my forehead because I'm gonna apply the wig. So I've already showed y'all the wig, but here it is again. The curls are already in there. So we're just gonna apply it with some Gossipy glue. I'm gonna speed this up and we'll be right back. Wow, looks so good. And I did not do anything to this wig, y'all. Looks amazing. Look at that. It's not even glued down. Like, look. Wow. Blown away. And I did cut off some of the excess, what do you call it, lace, because it was just a lot of little thin hairs. I couldn't do anything with it. It would have made some really good baby hair, but y'all know how that go. Okay guys, we are all on there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh wow. Look, so good. So good. The lace is extremely thin, which makes it perfect. Y'all already know I'm not doing no baby hairs. I'm just not. So I'm gonna be taking my Fruities, just a little bit because I've already applied some, and just making my hair shiny. You know, we love a good shine. Oh, then we're gonna rub our fingers through our hair. The curl really did not hold at all. Hold on, let me put some makeup on my forehead. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm back. My makeup is on my forehead now. Okay, so I love my hair. Look at it. Like, it just, look at that lace. What lace? I'll wait. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love how it came out. Like, my favorite part about it is the lace. Like, this is honestly the best lace I have come across. I kid you not. Like, it was so thin. I put this down with hairspray and it's like undetectable. Seriously, I put it down with hairspray and I rushed and did it. I did this like less than 5 minutes. I put my wigs on less than 5 minutes. Like, I'm that fast now. But look at it. Like, the hair didn't really hold much of a curl, but that's fine because it's straight hair. I like when I buy straight hair, I'm gonna wear it straight. If I wanted curly, I would have did body wave. But me using this curling iron was just to give it some body and not to curl my hair all tight. I wanted it just like this, very simple. Like, I look like a news reporter. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Click the links down below. Make sure you guys check out all the different lace, because round of applause for them. And make sure you guys are subscribed to both of my channels, and I will see you guys next time.